welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today is going to be like another clothing hacks video. I haven't done one in a while, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, I'll link my fashion playlist down below for you guys. This is on how to tie your clothes to kind of add more pizzazz to your clothes, make your clothes look a little bit different, because you could do a lot of things to your clothes just by tying them different ways. So if you liked it and thought this was useful, thumbs it up. I can always do a part 2 if you'd like. Before I jump into it, I just want to give my post notification shout out, which goes to, and my Instagram shout out goes to. So thank you guys so much. I love you so much. And if you want to be a part of that, all you have to do is go over to my channel, subscribe, and click that bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. And just comment with the hashtag post notification squad either on my YouTube or head over and follow my Instagram and comment that, and I may shout you out next. But that being said, let's just jump into this video. These first 2 hacks are going to be all about how to make any basic t-shirt just look a little bit more better and a little bit more presentable. So I love knotting my basic t-shirts to really accentuate my waist. Something I do is I tie around my hand and then I'll pull it through. You guys could tell through this video, this is my favorite way to knot my clothes. And if you do this, it's going to give you kind of like that knotted bun, which I personally love the look. I love doing this to my really loose t-shirts with jeans. I just think it, like I said, it gives you more of a shape and you don't really lose yourself in clothing. When it's just too oversized, you kind of lose your body shape. I just paired these with some dark blue jeans and my gray t-shirt, and this is just a really simple basic outfit, but it just adds a little bit more to your outfit. The next way, we're gonna still use this t-shirt, but you're gonna knot it in the back. So you're gonna do the exact same thing where you just bunch it all together and I just wrap it around one of my hands. And when you do that, you're just going to pull it through and you're going to make that perfect knotted bun as well, but this time it's going to be in the back. So if you don't really want that knot to be in the front, this is a really good trick to do as well. And once again, it's just going to give your body a little bit more shape because it's going to be a little bit more shorter and more cropped. And I just like cropping literally like all my shirts. I love it with high-waisted pants. I just, like I said, it just gives more shape to me when I just have super loose things. I don't really enjoy it as much. This next hack has to do with spicing up any of your duster coats. If you guys are curious, this one is actually from wearall.com. This works well when you have the little flaps on your duster coats. So something I like to do is I like to take the first flap and just tie a knot and double knot it, and it looks like it's a bow. You could just wear it simply like this with your outfit underneath. I just wore a bandeau and a black little skirt underneath to make sure that obviously nothing is popping through. Or also another way, which I personally love because it gives it more of a dress look, is you could take the little ties that you have on your duster coat, knot it into a bow as well, and I just turned it over to the side because I love the look that it gave. And this is just really cute. It's turning your duster coat into a cute little dress, a night out dress. It's just a really cute way to spice it up, and it does look like a little dress with a slit, so that's why it's important to wear your skirt underneath and stuff like that. But if you just want to give it a different look, you could definitely do so. And then I just paired it with these black pump shoes that I actually got from Urban Planet. But you can always just spice up your little duster coat or whatever you throw on top of your outfit, and I just think it looks so much cuter doing it this way. And the next couple of hacks have to do with a basic cardigan and different ways you can spice that up. So this gray one is just from Forever 21. It's super affordable. You can get them anywhere. One way I like to do it is I like to just put it off my shoulders so it has that off the shoulder look, and then I just tie it in a double knot, and I love this. So I just love when your shoulders are showing. So I definitely recommend trying this. It's cute for a night out. It's cute to just be casual. Then this next one is kind of similar to the knotted bun that we did at the beginning. You're just going to take it and you're going to do the exact same thing, tie it around your hands and pull it through into the bun. And this gives it another look. This one, as you can tell, is not off the shoulders, so if you don't want that look, this is really cute to do. I just think I love like spicing up my basic pieces because it could just give you a whole new look, and I'm just pairing it with the exact same jeans. If you're curious, these high-waisted jeans are actually from boohoo.com. And this last one has to do with dresses. So this dress is from shoptoby.com, and I love to knot up my dresses to give it more shape, especially if it's more of a shapeless dress. So I just used a hair tie and I just made a little bun. If your dress is longer, you can completely tie it without using the hair tie, but this one was not long enough for me to make my own bun. So when it comes to that, I like to put a knot underneath, and it just gives more shape to the dress. I definitely recommend trying this out on your shapeless dresses. It's just gonna add a little bit more detail, and I really enjoyed it, and I just made sure that the hair tie was not visible. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do any of these, make sure you tag me on my Instagram at NicolettaXOYT. I love when you guys do my clothing hacks. It seriously makes my day and my life. Tag me in a photo. I'd be so happy to see it, and I'll comment and all that good stuff. So if you guys like this video, once again, thumbs it up so I know. Click the subscribe button so you're a part of the family, because I do upload every single Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And also turn that bell on so you're notified every single time I do upload. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!